Do you want to find out how we were able to significantly increase our Xevo TQS signal to noise in just a single run? Hello, my name is Adam, a scientist at Rosolian in Analytical Sciences, where one of the many things we do is LCMS impurity testing for nitrosamines found in pharmaceutical products. We had a method development that was requested by a major pharmaceutical company that initially started on a SCIAC 6500+. This was looking at 1,4-dinitrosopiperazine, DMPZ, in one of their products. This method suffered from poor analyte response and poor retention on many columns. This meant only a 400 nanogram limit was able to be reached, which was not suitable for our sponsor's requirements of 26.7 nanogram. Now, one of the typical methods you may use to get over this is to find a different, more sensitive instrumentation, or even buy a new one to try and overcome this. But by using design of experiments, DOE, with the Mode E software, we were able to design an optimization method for Xevo TQS by optimizing both source and step wave parameters in a single run. Typically, step wave parameters are left at default. This allowed for all the factors to be optimized simultaneously in a reduced number of injections when compared to other traditional optimization methods like one factor at a time, which is more time consuming and typically less accurate than DOE. Once optimized, we ran a 4 nanogram standard on the new optimized method on the Xevo and compared this against the original unoptimized 6500+. Went from a signal to noise of 16, as you can see here, and then optimized to 86. A significant increase that allowed us to reach the required limits requested by our sponsor. Low concentration limits are typically requested by pharmaceutical companies, especially when working with nitrosamines. This means we could more greatly meet their limit without having to spend more on new instrumentation, by also allowing our current instruments to reach their fullest extent. Going forward, we are now able to optimize both source and step wave parameters for future small nitrosamines. The industry currently also has a large focus on green sustainable practices, especially in analytical chemistry. Using design of experiments provides a greener and more cost-effective method to reach better sensitivity with our current available instruments, instead of having to buy anything new. So, in conclusion, we were able to use DOE to optimize both step wave and source parameters to increase our instrument's sensitivity, allowing the instrument to reach previously unreachable limits, helping save costs while also helping push forward a greener solution than just buying a different instrument. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please contact Rosolian.